Samsung is one of the largest mobile phone companies in the world, specializing in the production of high-quality smartphones with advanced technology. The company's mobile phones are based on the Android operating system and come with modern features. Samsung has divided its mobile devices into different series, including the Galaxy S, Galaxy Note, Galaxy Z and Galaxy A series. The Galaxy S series consists of flagship phones with high-quality displays, fast processors, advanced camera systems and excellent designs. The Galaxy Note series is designed for users who want to enhance their productivity with a large screen and additional features like the S Pen. The Galaxy Z series consists of foldable phones that offer an innovative design and a unique user experience, while the Galaxy A series includes mid-range and budget-friendly phones that provide good performance at an affordable price. Samsung's mobile phones feature advanced display technology such as dynamic AMOLED and super AMOLED, which deliver stunning colors and excellent brightness. The camera system has also evolved significantly, with Samsung's latest phones incorporating high-resolution sensors and AI-powered camera features, making them ideal for photography enthusiasts. Samsung phones are equipped with Exynos and Snapdragon processors, ensuring fast performance and seamless multitasking. Battery life is another strong aspect of Samsung smartphones, as they come with long-lasting batteries that support fast charging and, in some models, wireless charging. Samsung places a strong emphasis on software optimization and user experience by providing a smooth and intuitive interface through its One UI software. One UI is designed to enhance usability and offer various customization options to users. The company is also known for its commitment to security with features like Samsung Knox, which provides multi-layered protection for personal and business data. Samsung continuously innovates with